So you're going to start by swapping out your universal foot for this narrow hem or rolled hem sewing machine foot. It has this curly Q that goes down the center of it, and just swap it out on your sewing machine without the need for any other adjustments. Then grab your fabric that you will be hemming, and along the raw edge, the hemmed edge, you are just going to be double folding this by finger pressing it like this. Try to make it as narrow as you can, and then put it under the center of your rolled hem foot. Then you're just going to be sewing some regular straight stitches. You really only need 1, 2, maybe 3. Then keep the needle down and grab your fold and pull it up into your curly Q. So you really want it up in there. And once you have it in, drop down your foot again, and then you're just going to be sewing. Just sew your regular straight stitch right in the center. You're going to let the foot do all the work for you. All you have to do is see how I'm kind of holding this edge here folded over. As long as you keep this even and fold it over as you sew, it should be pretty effortless. Some people say that they need to double fold it as it gets fed through, but I've never had an issue with having it just single folded over as it enters into the curly Q. And when you're done, it should look something like this. It is a really beautiful way to hem lightweight wovens. It's so narrow, it encloses all of the raw edges, and it just looks so beautifully professionally finished.